It's obvious. It's obvious. Can I eat this? Can I eat this? Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? I will leave by 7 o'clock. I will leave by 7 o'clock. Have a good day. Have a good day. Why should I care? Why should I care? Promise me. Promise me. Thank God. Thank God. That's the question. That's the question. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. No, I have some work now. No, I have some work now. I am freaking out. I am freaking out. I am scared. I am scared. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Don't wash that shirt. Don't wash that shirt. Listen to me. Listen to me. He's a stupid man. He's a stupid man. You should go. You should go. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? How high is that mountain? How high is that mountain? Speak slowly and clearly. Speak slowly and clearly. Call the doctor. Call the doctor. I love to watch TV. I love to watch TV. No way anymore. No way anymore. Now what? Now what? Nobody is helping us. Nobody is helping us. I would like a glass of cold water. I would like a glass of cold water. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. Or clean your nose. Clean your nose. I will teach you sentences. I will teach you sentences. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Look at me. Look at me. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. It's all right. It's all right. I have made a decision. I have made a decision. How are you? How are you? Hurry up. Hurry up. Time is over. Time is over. Why have you come so late? Why have you come so late? Forget him. Forget him. Don't move. Don't move. Is that enough? Is that enough? I will keep an eye on you. I will keep an eye on you. It is quite dangerous. It is quite dangerous. It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. Is there a good doctor nearby? Is there a good doctor nearby? I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. How stinky your socks are. How stinky your socks are. My car was hit by another car. My car was hit by another car. What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Don't whisper. Don't whisper. What happened? What happened? I am not sleepy. I am not sleepy. Try it again. Try it again. I am getting wet. I am getting wet. How to dance? How to dance? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? There is a passage through the house. There is a passage through the house. I came to know. I came to know. Wring out the towel. Wring out the towel. Move aside. Move aside. Eat it. Eat it. Stay inside. Stay inside. What nonsense. What nonsense. Don't move. Don't move. When do you study? When do you study? About whom? About whom? Don't be angry. Don't be angry. What if they refuse? What if they refuse? I rebuked him badly. I rebuked him badly. It is very difficult to know which one is true. It is very difficult to know which one is true. There is my key. There is my key. Fill it up. Fill it up. Does this road go to Chennai? Does this road go to Chennai? Where's the post office? Where's the post office? You have done me a favor. You have done me a favor. He needs some new clothes. He needs some new clothes. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Is this your bike? Is this your bike? Have you finished dressing? Have you finished dressing? Have you arrived? Have you arrived? No one was there then. No one was there then. My office is near the station. My office is near the station. Come and see me. Come and see me. Now I am standing before you. Now I am standing before you. What is the date today? What is the date today? He always forgets my birthday. He always forgets my birthday. On the right. On the right. I like Italian food. I like Italian food. It's a 7:45. It's a 7:45. Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? Taste it. Taste it. What's your address? What's your address? Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English? Who am I? Who am I? Is it a holiday today? Is it a holiday today? I have to sleep. I have to sleep.